Have you ever wondered what is it that your cleaning clients are truly looking for that will make them so happy that they would not look for another cleaner? Well, I have polled my clients who have been with me over 15 years, and you don't want to miss what they had to say about it. I'm Moragne-Morris, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering the topic of, you guessed it, customer service. Customer service, to me, is the pillar of every business and cleaning business. So in this video, I'm going to get you inside the minds of your cleaning clients so you don't have to guess what it is that makes them think your cleaning is truly special. Because listen, you can clean really, really well, and you still might be missing a few things that makes your clients just love you, obsess over you, and most importantly, talk about you to other people. Because that is how you grow your business, by your current clients bragging about you to other people. So I polled my clients that have been with me more than 15 years, and I did ask a few of my clients who have been with me 10 years, and these are the answers that they gave. The first answer that they gave is, drum roll, they want the house to smell clean when they walk in. So what does that mean? What that means is they want to smell the cleaning products when they come in the house. That's literally what it means. If they walk into the house and the first scent doesn't hit them of your cleaning products, in their head, they feel like you didn't clean well, even if you cleaned really well. Now, this doesn't necessarily hold true for clients. Like, we had a few clients that only wanted us to use vinegar and baking soda in their whole house. Yes, we had to add a little bit of essential oils, but because they're not chemicals, the smells kind of dissipate by the time they get home. So this isn't always going to be true for clients like that who truly do not want any type of chemicals. But even that, you can use an essential oil and maybe put some oil in a bottle and just spray around the house if you can. But so the way that we do this is, it sounds so simple, but it really works. After you finish cleaning the toilets and you flush them, add the cleaning product back into the toilet and let it sit. You would be amazed how much that smell permeates into the home, and it smells clean instantly. Whenever I'm checking after one of my employees in one of the offices that we clean, and I don't smell that clean smell, it should smack you in the face. I always know they forgot to put the cleaning products back into the toilet. Always happens. You just need to spray a little bit back in, but just by doing that, it leaves the cleaning smell lingering so that when they get home, they smell it. You can also wipe the doorknobs and light switches of the areas when they first walk in. So pay attention to the foyer areas of where they walk in, like the side door, the front door. Wipe the baseboards. I always use lemon pine sol. I am a huge lemon pine sol fan, but if you use Fabuloso or Lysol, put a little bit of product on the rag, wipe the baseboards, wipe the door down, wipe the light switches. It'll hit them with the smell as soon as they come in. That is the first thing. It's one of the most common answers that everyone gave me. The second thing that customers always said that they just need cleaners to do better, and that, we do great at, is dusting up high. Dusting up high. So I know the surfaces are really dusty, the baseboards are dusty, but guys, the light fixtures get dusty, the recessed lighting gets dusty, the bathroom vents up on the ceiling get dusty. You may have to make it a point to just kind of do this when you're done the room. I always dust up high first, and so does my staff. Literally just do this. Because there are some cobwebs you're not going to see. You have to look for them, especially if it's a gloomy, dark day. If it's a gloomy, dark day and you're in a client's house that, let's say, you only clean once a month, you better flip all those light switches on and just dust the whole ceiling, the light fixtures, just dust it even if you don't see cobwebs, because you can assume 9 times out of 10 there are cobwebs there. Tops of shelves also. is another big thing that a lot of cleaners, they just miss them. And this isn't something you have to do every single time, but if you're in their home only once a month, you need to do it every time. If you're there every other week, you need to do it at least once a month. Dusting up high is really important because it makes them feel like the whole house is clean. So again, these are just answers that I have received from clients. I'm not saying this is not Michelle telling you how to clean. This is straight out of the client's mouth, what it is that they're looking for. The third thing that clients want desperately is they want all their stuff put back where it was. Now, this isn't if it was like messy, like the bathroom vanity has a lot of clutter on it and you just leave it there. Obviously, you have to put everything together, but you can open their vanity drawers, you can open the doors, and you can see kind of what belongs where. I would make it a point to make sure that everything goes where it's supposed to go. And if there's something that you don't know where it's supposed to go, just put it together on the side. Maybe you could group all the products together on the side. The other important thing is when you are dusting shelves and nightstands that you don't rearrange the way they had it. They do not like that. I do not like it. You will not believe the amount of people that I would go give quotes on their homes, and the first thing they always asked me was, do you put the stuff back where it belongs? I'm like, where else would I put it? I understand why. Because when I started hiring cleaners for myself, they never put the stuff back. Do not rearrange their knickknacks. Do not rearrange their shelves. They do not like that. If you don't remember where stuff goes, I do not recommend the method of clearing off a shelf, dusting it, wiping everything down, and putting it back. That's old school cleaning. That's how we cleaned as kids when our moms made us go into our bedrooms and clean our house, right? Sorry, clean our bedrooms. We would just pull everything down off the shelf and wipe. You can't clean like that professionally. You can do that once you're familiar with a home and you know exactly where everything needs to go. But for your first few cleanings, I recommend just picking the item up, dusting under it, wiping it down, dusting, and then putting it back where it belongs. This is one of the biggest peeves that clients have. If you're going to lift stuff up to let it dry off of the floor, make sure when those floors are dry, you go back through the house and put everything back down. They should not come home to find your curtains balled up, because we know you need to lift the curtains up to clean. Sometimes you lift the bedding on the side up on top so you can mop if it's a hardwood floor. You put shoes, hopefully you don't put them on the bed, and put them up on chairs, but all of that has to go back down when you're finished cleaning. Your job is not just to clean. If you go in and just clean, you're not going to keep them as clients. But if you go into their house and you clean and you put everything back the way it's supposed to be, so that when they walk into the room, they're like, oh, it smells clean, it looks clean, and everything is put back nice, that's how you keep clients. The fourth thing that my clients said that they love that we do is we go the extra mile. Now, going the extra mile is kind of subjective to some people. There's no set rules. Like, there's no set rule that says you have to rinse out your client's kitchen trash can. But it is cleaning, right? So it takes a minute to dump a little pine salt and hot water in the kitchen trash can and let it sit while you're cleaning the rest of the trash can. It takes a few minutes to spray the wall behind where the trash can is, or if they have that kitchen, the pull-out drawer, the pull-out cabinet for the trash, it gets dirty up in there. The trash cans get dirty, the sides and the front, wipe them down. That's going the extra mile. If you have homes that have fringe on their carpet, fix the fringe. It takes literally a minute. If you can get on your knees like I do, I just run through, I fix the fringe with my fingers. If you can't get down on your knees, they sell supplies that have that. It's a brush. It looks like a rake brush, and you fix the fringe. That goes so far with clients. Another client mentioned that she loves that we always tuck on the rug, the area rug has the little tag on the end. We don't leave the tag hanging out. We tuck the tag in. Tuck the tag in. Fix the towels back neatly. You know how I feel about toilet paper, roses. Just, if you love to do them, go ahead and do them. But it's a waste of toilet paper. You can just fold the toilet paper. But more importantly than folding the toilet paper, make sure the toilet paper holder is dusted off. If they have a package that came in and it's sitting outside, bring the package in for them. Why not? It takes 10 seconds. That's all going the extra mile. When you go the extra mile for clients, they start to feel like you care about them and you care about their home and you care about what they care about. That is how you keep customers. And customer retention is the fastest and best way to grow your business to 6 figures. And maybe you don't even have 6 figures as a goal. Maybe you would like to make 50K a month. That is how you grow your business. You are going to be spinning your tails trying to get new customers constantly if you are not nailing it with customer service and with cleaning. The last point they did not say, but I know it's important, is communicate. You have to communicate with your clients. If your only form of communication with them is, hey, just confirming tomorrow for, 9 a.m., if that's all you ever text them, you're not developing a relationship with them. Relationships with your clients are what help you keep your business, because guess what? You're gonna mess up. You're gonna make mistakes. You may break something. You might miss an area. You might leave a hairball in the middle of their white bathroom floor. But what overrides all of that is the relationship that you have with your client. So, what do I mean? You get to their house. Let's say they're all at work. Hey, I'm here. Gonna start cleaning. Hope you have a great day. Simple check-in, because they could be at work wondering, oh my gosh, did they come? Are they coming today? I don't know if they're coming. You don't want them wondering, are you coming to clean? You just want them to know. Or if you don't really want to do that because maybe they're already there when you get there, or you just know systematically you go, you could just leave a text when you're finished. Hey, I'm all finished. Let them know the little extra thing that you did. I rinsed out the trash can today with pine sol. It had a little bit of an odor, so I just wanted to get that for you. Just drop them a little note of one extra thing that you did. You don't have to do this every single time, but maybe make the habit of doing it once a month so that they see you went above and beyond. Or, hey, just wanted to let you know you're running low on cleaning supplies. I left the supplies out on the counter. That's a video for another day. I do not buy cleaning supplies. I make them buy them. But that's my video for another day. Little things like that. It's just a way to communicate. Oh, such great weather today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Or, just little things like that. Communicating with your client other than just being a robot. 9 a.m., I'm going to be there. Just confirm, please. Just try to have conversations with them. And you're not trying to waste their time. You're not trying to make it awkward and obvious that you're trying to have a long conversation with them. Just little texts. With a world of text messaging, there's just no reason to not text your client. If you have a client that's super busy, let's say they're a CEO, CFO, and they don't want to hear from you, leave them a nice note on the counter. Before text messaging came out, because I'm older, I would leave notes. You can get specialized stationery that has your name, or just a nice little note that lets them know we were here. You could let them know any supplies that they need to refill, any repairs that you might see, like, hey, I saw that your toilet was running. I turned the water off because I just didn't want your bill to get so high. Just leave them a little note on the counter. It goes a long way. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed getting the information that is in your client's head that you didn't know. If you like this video, please drop a comment below and let me know you liked it. If there's any topic that you want me to cover, you can drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to scale your business to 6 figures, I have a coaching program that can help you. It can help you scale to 6 figures. It can help you scale and double the income that you currently have. And I also do it by teaching women how to cut back on the work that they do. Yes, I said cut back. It will help you cut back on the work that you do and scale your business to 6 figures. You can book a free discovery call with me to see if it aligns with your values. Just click the link below and it'll take you to my website, and you can click on the button, book a free discovery call, and you pick the times. And it's just a quick 10-15 minute chat to see if it's something that would align with your goals. But if you are looking to grow your business, I cannot recommend coaching enough. I have had to have coaches to help grow my business, and I just wish I had done it sooner, because I would have gotten there so much faster. And I can't even imagine how much bigger my cleaning business would be now if I had had the coaching that I have now years ago. Also, don't miss my free downloads below. They can help you start your business. If you are looking to start a cleaning business, we also have resources that would help you for that. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with anyone that you think would get value from it. I hope you have a great day. That's all for now. Bye.